as far as this coal mine accident that has now been reported in Assam, as one body, according to reports, has been recovered from the mine accident, and rescue operations, however, continue on part of the NDRF, SDRF and the teams that have been deployed there, where there's rescue operations that have been taking place, where 9 people have been reportedly trapped since 6th of January, and the search operations that continues with efforts to recover the remaining victims or the miners who are still believed to be trapped. However, not good news that is now coming in as far as one body, according to reports, suggest that has been recovered from the area where this tragedy has been reported as one dead in the Dima Hasa coal mine accident, and the rescue operations that have been taking place at the mine site. Let's get in a word from Rishabh. Rishabh, rescue operations that have been taking place, unfortunately, we're getting the reports of one casualty.
Well, definitely one casualty has been reported. What we are given to understand that 21 para of Indian Army who are there at the rescue operation has recovered one dead body from the coal mine. Remember, this is a tragic incident that took place yesterday, and since then the long rescue operations are on. NDRF, SDRF, local authorities, Indian Army, paramilitary forces all have been rushed to the site. Given the severity of the incident, one dead body has sadly been recovered. Many are feared missing.
All right. The rescue operations continue with an effort to rescue all of those people who are still believed to be trapped, or looking out for possible survivors there, as this coal mine accident that has been reported in Assam. Thank you very much, Rishabh. With that, we head into a short break.